Back. Today I'm showing you the step-by-step how to get the cheapest visa appointment slots using the Wakanow app. So once you have launched the app on your phone, log into your account, and on the main dashboard, look for where you have visa services. Then you select your destination, enter your passport country and the type of visa you need, such as a tourist, a business visa or sticker visa. Then you filter by consultation and early slots. Under the available services, you select visa consultation and assistance. This unlocks Wakanow's priority embassy tracking and allows you to view available appointment slots. So then you browse through the package tiers. So Wakanow offers varying fee structures for assistance depending on the speed and embassy level. So choose the standard or basic assistance package to keep your cost as low as possible. Then you upload all your personal details, your required travel documents, and pay the consultation fee to lock in your slots. So once payment is made, you go to manage bookings or manage my booking. You go to either one in the app and track your application and confirm your scheduled appointment slots. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Safe travels.